People have been asking, how do I pick my tags for different orders or Etsy or merch? It depends, but I usually go to Pro Tools. If it opens. Okay, Keyword Scout is what I use to search. So, well, this will even tell you how many. I got 13 tags per listing. I got 367 missing. Imaging missing 873. Incomplete descriptions 1034. Oh, wow. I need to go fix my Etsy shop up, I guess. But you can go here and you see it'll just help you to fix everything. See, 2 tags, 4 tags, 1 tags. These is how many tags are missing. Let's go back. And images missing. 4 images, 3, and see, it's telling you how many images, you know how many you need, but then you have to fix it. So this is a really helpful tool. 160 words per listing. I still believe less is better. I don't have a problem selling things on Etsy, but a lot of people are really wordy, but you can do that if you want to. That's just not me. Oh, look, no spelling issues. Okay, at least I can spell. Okay, so let's see. What are we doing? Melanin. Woman sticker decals. So I guess it's searching now. It's searching Etsy. You can change the store name to search Amazon or different things like this. But okay, so you see there is 336 listings. 100 were analyzed. 397 average price. 1550 views. So these are some words you can use. These are some tags you can use. See how it tells you yes, no. So Black Girl Magic, Black Girl stickers, Black Lives Matter, Black Queen stickers. Says this is not available, but it still has a yes. Sticker says no. Melanin sticker maybe. Stickers no. Black girl stickers yes. Melanin no. Black woman stickers, Black girl decals, Black history decals, Black woman says maybe. There's probably a lot of those. But I usually go here to get my tags. So this is on Printful. It's if you need to enroll in the monthly subscription plan to get access to this, but I love Keyword Scout, so you all can try to use it or you cannot use it, but it just shows you words that you might have to use. Like, see, laptop, maybe. It says no. Crafters, no. It's just telling you some tags not to use because it's not going to get you that many sales or that many views. And the whole point of this is views. So I hope this helped you with your tags, because you asked me how I do my tags. This is how I do my tags, just so you know in advance. But you could go back to Keyword Scout. See, and you can go back, I guess your store, that's my store name. It even says like see all listings, and it'll tell you everything you have wrong. So if you've been having a problem getting views on Etsy, Keyword Scout can really help you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.